Hello. Oh, it's been such a big day out here in the garden. I have been weeding. I'm still going, running out of daylight, but I've got this to go. Heading off for a mountain bike trip, so really excited, but have people watering for me and I need to make sure the garden's ready. I have put in the drip line over here. The water's been running while we do it, so there's water everywhere. But this whole section here has been planted out. Drip line is in, so really excited to see that when we get back. The sunflowers are nearly ready. This whole area has been weeded. I've weeded everywhere apart from the last bit that I'm on. I've had a whole heap of trees I've had to bring back from work from the greenhouse because I've had to turn it off, so I'm just popping drippers for them on the ground because I don't have enough pressure for them. Still need to do this drip line, but have got this one sorted, which is awesome. This one sorted, pumpkin sorted, and also the cucumber, I think it is, or zucchini. No, it's cucumber over the back. And here is all the grass that has come out of the garden, and it is nuts. So, oh my goodness, I better quickly finish before it gets dark. Here's all the grass that I still have to go. Oh, I'm so excited to get away though and just enjoy. I love this garden. I am loving every minute of it. I'm loving weeding it, even though I hate weeding, but it means that things are happening here and there's water and there's things growing. So can't wait to share with you when I get home. All the sunflowers will be out. They're as tall as my kids now, nearly. One of them they're past, the other one they've nearly reached. All my herbs are going bananas. Awesome. Check out this beautiful night sky. So gorgeous. Hello, I'm home from my big adventures and I've got back to my garden. It's been watered, which is awesome. I've got all these things happening. It's a little bit wet maybe with the bugs are thinking that this might be the only place to have actual water because it's so dry everywhere else. So check out these sunflowers, they're amazing. Look at all those bees. So Pony's not happy in the yard, I've just split them up. But what I want to talk to you about is I believe I have pumpkin beetle on my pumpkins. Now I've just had a bit of a research and it said that marigolds will help repel them. So I've got this beautiful pumpkin plant here. I've also got pumpkins over there and I can see that they're being eaten. So I'm going to transfer some of my marigolds and see what I can do with that. I've also got a liquid coffee mix. That's just old coffee that we hadn't used, that we had in the fridge. And I'm going to try it as well. So we'll see how we go, but check out all these sunflowers. The tomatoes do have some type of, I think they've got too wet. They've got a few leaves here, crumb, but they do have some kind of issue as well. And also I'm going to have to get them up. They've obviously leaned over and I need to make sure that I'm getting enough airflow in them because at the moment I'm not. So I'll let you know how I go. At my pumpkin plant and this little pumpkin just fell off, and check out what the pumpkin beetle has done to it. It's all that dry bit, I assume, is them munching, crunching at my pumpkins and got them off. So I've been away for 10 days and in that time these little beetles have moved in and decided that they would take over. Just planted a marigold on the other side of this, but I've got a beautiful pumpkin in there. I don't know if you can see him, but I'm hoping that I can get on top of these beetles. They can fly, so one flying around there at the moment, but they're a real issue. So if you've had pumpkin beetle issues before, let me know and what you've done about it, because I feel like they're just taking over. Check out my poor leaf. I just got like 10 off there then. Horrid things. So I've just done a little bit of research and the soldier beetles will eat the pumpkin beetles. So bring on the soldier beetles. I have a couple in here already working. Here's a pumpkin beetle flying around. You probably can't see it, but the soldier beetles I've had in the garden from day dot. And so hopefully they'll build up a bit and get rid of these pumpkin beetles, because there's another one there. They're all over the place. Look at my beautiful little pumpkin here. Hopefully they haven't got into it. This could be devastating. I was looking forward to pumpkin soup. So hopefully the bees keep pollinating and we can get these pumpkin beetles under control. It's been a week since I've been home. I'm just out here at the pumpkins and I do have soldier beetles moving in, but there's also still a lot of pumpkin beetle. The bees are working really hard to pollinate these flowers, and I'm hoping there's one there. They keep flying away on me. I'm hoping that we can get on top of this pumpkin beetle. It's really been shocking to watch them come in and take over, and I just really hope that this ecosystem I'm building is going to support my pumpkins and my zucchinis, and hopefully we can get on top of this pumpkin beetle. I'm just going in to make a bit of an omelette for one that is straight from my garden and also from our chickens. So I will catch you next time on Bees Patch. Thank you so much for being here. Talk to you soon. Enjoy your garden.